everyone. So in today's video we are going to be discussing how to program our watchlist page so that we can view our products and also add products to our watchlist page. So as you can see, there are no items in our watchlist page, so it's basically empty. And here if we click our start shopping button, it will take us to our home page. And as you can see, all these products are in gray, so you can see that there are no products added to our watch list. So I'm going to click on three items here. We are going to click on this, we're going to click on this, and then we are going to click on this, and then we are going to move on into our watch list. So in our watch list we have the three products we selected in the respective order. So here these values are taken in from our database. We have programmed code in order to get all these values directly from our database. And here these are the products, and this is how we view this page. So this is the basic view. We have our header, then we have our products, which we can see here, and finally we have our footer. So that was how you add our products. So I will go back to the home page again, and I'll add this product as well, Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max new stock. And once I add it, and when we go back, this item has been added here as well. So that is how we add our products from the user interface end of our program. Let's move on to the code where we discuss how this actually works from the backend. So this is our code which we have developed in our backend for the program. So here we are checking if we have a user here, and then we're going down. So basically we have the watch list, and we have the heart, which is at the top left corner of the page. Then we have a search bar where we can search in our watch list, and then we had a breadcrumb on the left side of the page, and we could see some hyperlinks where we can go to our watch list, our cart, or our reasons. So here we have checked if there is a user for our database, and we've given a database search query, select all from watch list where the user email is equal to the user, and here we are checked if the watch list is 0, and then we have a view as no items in your watch list, and we had that yellow color button, and it said start shopping. So that took us back to our home page thanks to this anchor tag href. And moving down, we have added an image array from our database. So from here we select, so that was if there was 0 values. Else if we have products, this shows that we have products. We have a query to take all the associated values from our database, then to get our image, and so on. So that's how we get our values from the database. We have more search queries for title, color, name, condition ID, etc. So let's go back to our home page and see how we add it. So here in our home page we have add to watchlist button. So if this is if the watchlist is not the number of items in our watchlist is 1, then the heart which is in red color will heart will turn to red color and we'll get our product ID. Else the heart will turn back to black color and it will have another process. So both of these have the process add to watchlist, which is a JavaScript function. So here in our JavaScript we have add to watchlist and we have an ID. So we open up a new XML HTTP request, and it's a get process in add to watchlist process .php, and in that process we are taking ID, and it is true, so that means it is an Ajax process. And here in our add to watchlist process we have established a connection and started a session. So that means basically we are taking the cookie, and here if there is a user for our session, we get the ID for our product, and we introduce the variable name $email for the email of the user in this session, and similarly $PID for the ID of the product which we get from our form in this session, and we have a watch list underscore rs as a database search query. So it's going to say select all from watch list, where the product id is equal to PID and the user email is equal to the email, and we are going to take the number of rows in that result set and introduce it as a new variable watchlist underscore number. So if that number is equal to 1, the watchlist data, we are going to take that watchlist data from the result set. So from this result set we are taking all the data, and we have introduced another variable list underscore id. So that means the id which we get from our watchlist data is taken, and it will be removed. So basically it will delete from our watch list if we click that button twice. uh, uh, Else it will insert to our watch list the product ID and the user email and the values of the product ID and the email, and it will echo added. If not, it will echo something else, something went wrong. This will happen if there is an error in our database or something wrong in our code, or it will say please log in first. So we have to be logged into a page for this to appear. So that is that. And like I said, it will finally give us the values echo removed or added. So let's go back to our JavaScript, and finally it will so if it says removed, the heart which we have it in red will turn to black color, and if it says added, the heart which is in black color will turn to red color. So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching.